There are so many times when you play a tennis match and you're in control of it and your opponent has almost given up all hope, and then you go and do something stupid like pump your fist or yell something that actually wakes him up. It's what I call waking the sleeping bear. Remember something, tennis is not about emotion, it's about removing emotion. The one thing you don't want to do is celebrate too much. The one thing you don't want to do is get too discouraged. You have a goal and objective to get through the finish line. If your opponent is handing you the match, do not give him a reason to care. Momentum can shift on a dime. I remember one time I was playing a match. I'd won the first set 7-6 against Nalbandian. I was up 3-1 in the second set and he was giving up. He was physically getting tired. He felt like he couldn't win. Then somebody in my camp sitting on the stands yelled something at him and he looked up, looked across at me. I knew at that moment he would die before he would let me win that match. So let me give you some advice. Do not wake the sleeping bear.